In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jotform link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your form's link and the best ways to send it so people can fill it out right away. First, log into Jotform. Open your browser, go to the Jotform website, and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that you're logging into the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you're in, go to My Forms. This is your main hub where all your forms are listed. If you have a lot of forms, use the search bar or any folder organization you've set up to quickly locate the one you need. Find your form and click Share. You'll usually see options alongside each form. Choose the Share option to open the sharing panel for that specific form. This is where you'll control how you distribute the form. Next, select Quick Share. Quick Share is the simplest way to get a ready-to-use link. It shows you a public form URL that people can click to open your form instantly. Think of it as a direct path to your form without any extra steps. Now copy the form URL. Click the copy button next to the link and it'll be placed on your clipboard. A helpful tip here. Paste the link into a new browser tab and load it once, just to confirm it opens correctly and looks the way you expect. This quick check can save you time later. You're ready to paste and send the link. For email, drop the link into the message body. Add a short note explaining what the form is for, and include any deadlines or instructions. Use a clear subject line so recipients know it's safe and relevant. For Messenger or WhatsApp, paste the link directly into your chat. It's fast and convenient, especially on mobile. If you're sending to a group, add a brief sentence so people know why they're receiving it. For social media, paste the link into your post or bio and add a concise caption. Keep the message clear and consider who should see it by adjusting your post's audience accordingly. For a website, place the link behind a button or a text hyperlink such as fill out the form. Most site builders let you paste the URL into a link field. Publish or update the page and test the button on the live site to ensure it opens the form. That's it. Log in, go to My Forms, share via Quick Share, copy the URL, and send it through email, chat, social platforms, or your website. Save the link somewhere handy so you can reuse it anytime.